subscribe to Android Discovery Channel, and press the bell icon to watch the interesting and exciting technology video first. Realme has started teasing the launch of new true wireless earbuds with active noise cancellation in India. Madhav Sheth, Vice President, Realme and CEO, Realme India and Europe, yesterday posted a new video that shows the design of the earbuds and the active noise cancellation and how the transparency mode works. It says #noise off Realme on. In a new video posted today, he said that Realme is offering an opportunity to their fans to choose and suggest their favorite talented musicians who will tune the upcoming Realme earbuds. He also said that one lucky fan will get to experience the upcoming product. This should be the Realme Buds Air 2 that surfaced on Realme Link app recently. This will be the successor to the Realme Buds Air that was launched over a year ago. It did not have ANC, but came with low latency gaming mode, wireless charging support and intelligent wear detection, so we can expect these in the Buds Air 2 as well. We can also expect improvements in the battery life, and it should be cheaper than the Realme Buds Air Pro that also has ANC support. We should know the exact launch date in the coming days. Guys, I hope you liked my video. If you really liked this video, please subscribe to the channel and like and share the video. Thank you.